We are here today in Homa Bay County to launch a partnership between Safaricom, World Vision, Kenya Forestry Service and the prisons.
I'm very grateful for this occasion that we have had today of tree planting. We, the prisons department, we are on the forefront to ensure that we conserve our environment and also ensure that we train our inmates, our clients, to go and be better people who will be able to conserve the environment once they go through their sentence here in prison.
So what we're doing as Safaricom is we're very committed to afforestation, and this is part of our journey to planting 5 million trees by 2025. So today's partnership is launching an initiative where we'll be adopting Labwe forest, and in the next year we hope to plant 200,000 trees.
We take this opportunity to thank the partners, the Safaricom Foundation, the Ministry or Department of Forestry for adopting one of the hills here in Homa Bay, Chope, and also choosing us, the prisons department, as a source for their seedlings. We appreciate and say thank you very much.